Welcome to PrometAI. Today's video covers tools that boost creativity. Once your idea takes shape, navigate to the Idea section in the entrepreneur's journey. Drag and drop the Creativity Enhancers tool. First, you'll see the 6 thinking hats analysis. Each hat represents a different perspective: facts and data, emotions and intuition, risks and challenges, benefits and opportunities, creativity and new ideas, and process and organization. This analysis helps you look at your idea from every angle before moving forward. The platform also offers additional creativity tools. Random Word helps break mental blocks by linking unrelated words to your idea. Metaphorical thinking encourages new patterns by comparing your challenge to something different. Google's approach pushes bold ideas instead of small improvements. Roll storming helps you think differently by answering questions from another perspective.